Top 3 Best Cake Pop Makers. Number 3. Brentwood Cake Pop Maker. Powerful 750 watt, bakes 12 cake pops in just 4 minutes. Includes recipes for vanilla and lemon cake pops, cinnamon sugar donut holes and pancake bites. Cake pops slide right off of the non-stick plates, making cleanup a snap. Safely operate with cool touch handles, convenient power, and preheat indicator lights. Pros: heating element works quickly to get up to the appropriate temperature. Non-stick cooking surface makes cleanup extremely easy after use. Bakes other small treats. Cons: the bottoms of the finished cake pops tend to be more cooked or even burnt than the body. Bottom line: a small cake pop maker great for use in smaller kitchens or in apartment settings. Number 2. Disney Mickey Cake Pop Maker. Bakes 4 Mickey cake pops. Includes 25 paper treat stick and a batter piping bag. Non-stick coating. Power light. Non-skid feet. Latching handle. 500 watts. Pros: cake pop molds are shaped as Mickey Mouse, making the treats fun to make and eat for kids. Kit includes piping bag and cake pop sticks for repeated use. Stays still thanks to non-skid rubber feet. Cons: small cake pop molds can only fit 4 cake pops at a time. Cake pops prone to cracks and breaking. Bottom line: the best budget cake pop maker with an eye on making baking friendly for kids. Number 1. Baby Cakes Mini Cake Pop Maker. Non-stick baking plates. Make 9 cake pops. Power light. Latching handle and non-skid rubber feet. Convenient cord wrap. Pros: large, square baking plate has a non-stick surface for simple wipe downs after use. Molds perfectly shaped round cake pops without the extra preparation of using an oven. Features non-skid rubber feet. Makes 9 cake pops. Cons: cake pops often come out cracked and oddly shaped. May be prone to break. Bottom line: the best cake pop maker with a large cooking surface for high volume baking. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.